Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option to proceed to your website. In this new page containing your website, click on Configuration from the navigation menu above, then click on Domain Name at the very bottom of the drop-down menu. This pop-up will appear asking for confirmation because you need to make sure that your website is ready for use. If your website is ready, click on My Website is Ready. Next, in this new tab, another pop-up will appear where you will click on Get a New Domain Name. After that, you will be prompted to search for a domain by typing it in this field. Then click on the search icon at the far right of the field. Odoo will provide you with possible domain names. Just click on Select at the far right of the domain you want to choose. Lastly, just fill out this form with all the necessary details Odoo needs. And after that, click on Register at the very bottom of this tab. And that is how you can buy a domain in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.